The most satisfying thing to destroy for a Ukrainian drone operator has to be a large pile of ammunition, as this drone operator finds an absolutely massive pile of TM-62 anti-tank mines in the woods. Only armed with a hand grenade makes this drone operator one of the best people of demining in Ukraine, due to Russia's poor training and logistic. As soon as the drone drops the hand grenade, it starts turning to the side, as the explosion created will rise dozens of meters up in the air, taking out the drone if stationed above. As the pile of mines create the massive explosion, the crater left behind with the bare trees show how large the explosion was, letting a small drone with a grenade to be able to take out a massive amount of anti-tank mines, leaving less on the battlefield. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.